want to thank this brand for sending this for us to try. This is an ultrasonic retainer or dentures or jewelry cleaner. And here's how it comes. It's just this little oval container and you just put water in it. It has 4 modes, so you can do, there's a 5-minute and then 3 10-minute options that will have a UV light or vibration, ultrasonic cleaning. So there's different modes that you can use to clean your items. Great for dentures, great for retainers or the little Invisalign type braces, things like that. You can also put toothbrush heads in here. I'm gonna use some rings because I wanna clean my jewelry. I haven't been cleaned in a while. I'm just going to pop those in. I'm gonna press once to do the 300-second cleaner. See how it goes. Okay, so 5 minutes went by, it's all done, and I'm able to use the little tweezers, pull out my rings. I'd say that did a pretty good job of cleaning them. I didn't have to use a brush or anything like that. So pretty easy to use. You just pop it in, press a button, comes out clean. So the same for your dentures, toothbrushes, retainers, things like that. It works great. It looks good. It's small and you can just leave it sitting out. It doesn't look bad at all. It's just a little round black container. So you can just leave this sitting out so you always have those items ready to be cleaned.